I will very quickly try and go through the controls. Back lever on the left lifts the left side of the moldboard up and down. You just barely see it go there. The back one on the right outside does the same thing on the right side. The next lever in is the wheel lean on the tires to help you go around corners and hold you in the road. The inside lever is the side shift for the whole circle. The inside on the back row is the oscillation, which turns the front half of the graver separate of the back half. The middle lever runs the inside of the wing up and down for height. And the outside one lets the end of the wing go up and down. Inside on the left tilts the angle of the moldboard. The outside lever here raises the front blade up and down, or the bull blade as we call it. And the middle lever makes it angle from right to left or left to right. Headed out, I just put the bull blade down with the right side angled back, kind of help push the snow off the road. And I have the moldboard set so that it will clean up whatever falls back in. It's not high enough here to really wing it down, and the trees are too close to the road. I'd be catching the wing on the trees. That's a John Deere set up with a dangle head for processing logs.